Good morning, good morning. It's Thursday, January 25th. Thursday, January 25th. Market's about to open. Let me post this in the group. I was away the past few days, so I wasn't on YouTube. Kyle was. I was not. But I was on TikTok. Jen and I. Well, actually, no, I'm not going to do this because of the other one. All right, I gotta get on. Shoot, I gotta get on TikTok. It's 9:29. Sorry, I'm just typing away. All right, TikTok. I'll turn this light off.
Order submitted.
Let's go. Let's get some visual. Let's get some visual money today. Speaking visuals in a trade right now. All right, the student play. I'm excited to see this. I wonder if I should put that picture of me in the back here. Not me.
Order canceled.
But the one that Jen, the one that it actually says me. It's already there. But it's like hard to see some stuff. Hi, happy Thursday. It's 9:30. The market just opened. Let's see if we're pulling back to that magic line. I really don't think I changed it. I think, oh, this would be a nice, this would be a nice bounce. Lenith, what's up? What's up, Andon? What's wrong? Why are you huffing and puffing? What's wrong? Perfect, Frank. Sounds good. It is a Thursday. Thirsty Thursday. Visual had a loss off the open. Hi. What's up, Lenith? How are you? I was actually doing some data pulling last night on, maybe I should make this a little smaller, on visual, and it was actually giving me accurate data, which was awesome. Always on top. Listen, I have something new that I'm excited about. I haven't really done much with it yet, but I need to put it in my testing. Hi, good morning. Thanks for all the good mornings. Please hit the thumbs up if you're on YouTube. Kevin, Jason, Carlos, Dan, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Look, I'm sending you guys hearts, okay? All right. Let's see what we want to do here. My students are ready. We had a nice move yesterday, really nice moves yesterday. And we're probably going to have some more nice moves today. The report this morning was good. Seems like the reaction was positive. I need to fill in this testing sheet. All right, so we can get rid of, oh, she needs to do today. Jen will be live today, tomorrow, and Monday, but then she's off next Tuesday and Wednesday. She's going away. Good morning. What's up, Tino? All right, I need to add this in. All right, so that brings that down a little, which is good. Nothing's in a trade right now. NQ early was 2 for 2 yesterday. I think it was 5 for 5 the day before. NQ evening had a loss last night, but NQ night and ES night both won last night. Also, you know what I need to do is look into the NQ evening on the reversal. Somebody said something about it the other day. I could even actually try it right now. Let's see. Oh, but you know what I'm going to need to do? Well, I could... Oh, I took it out of here. I'm going to have to put it back in. All right, I'll have to do it later. But somebody mentioned the other night something about the Asian session and the pullback before the move. And so even though last night was pretty tight, so I'm not sure that would be a thing. But we could always try it out.
Submitted.
Ooh, here's that move up. You see that bounce off the magic line? Who's in premium using that magic line? That was really nice. What is in a trade? Didn't say order. Oh, you know what? It's probably visual.
Order submitted.
Yep, visual.
Order submitted.
Visual is in a long. Oh, I have to change the account. I'll do that in a second. Let me see.
Target filled.
Target filled on... Oh, NQ early already hit target. Nice. NQ early hit target. Oh, I need my buttons. We need some eggs in the chat. And then visuals in the long for $80. NQ early hit. Jackie always has good fills. See, well, that NQ early 75 is going to help with... All right, cool.
Order canceled.
Look at this drop. It poked out, but it's not there yet. But the magic line is still holding. Eggs, eggs, eggs. All right, let me put that in the results tab. Oh, Irma already did. Irma's all over it. What server do you have? I have a dedicated server. I pay like $330 a month, something like that. Oh, got it, Anton. Still bouncing off that magic line. The market's trying to figure out which direction it wants to go. Remember, Apex is still doing a sale, so 80% off and 1-day evaluation pass. I'm going to get some more accounts today because I forgot this one strategy that we don't run, and then I ran it and I lost, so I was like, damn it. And it's still valid for another 4 days, so through the month. Is that what it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe Monday. Just Monday. Irma DM'd you. Make sure you check your DMs Monday. Got it. Thank you. So yeah, 80% off. So you could get an account for $30, and then you can pass in one day if that happens. You know, if essentially if you're YOLOing. But even if you don't pass in one day, say you're taking the student trade and you make $500 a day, the quant plan is $260. So if you're making $500 a day,
Order submitted.
then you would pass in 3 days instead of having that minimum of 7. So it's still a positive instead of I think I put in a new order. I want to play with
Order
this.
submitted.
Just because Evan is. So yeah, if you make on average like, oh, it says profit target hit on my account.
Order canceled.
Rhythmic and Apex have been having some issues lately. If you're getting new accounts and you would prefer to do Tradeovate instead of the Rhythmic connection, I never hear that there's issues with that. For dedicated VPS service. Yeah, nice, Mike. Thanks, Jen. It's a little slow this morning. So NQ early hit, NQ night hit, ES night hit, but NQ evening had a loss, and Vizzy is... Remember, Vizzy gets harder at the end of the week. So I just want to keep that in mind because it does really well like Monday, Tuesday. Sometimes Wednesday's been a little better lately, but really Monday, Tuesday. And then like Thursday, Friday always seems to be when it's kind of slowing down and not able to have as much fun. Also, it's been going crazy the last few weeks, so it seems like, let's see. Last week it made $7,800, but this week it's red $2,000. This week is a funky week. I don't know if it's because of earnings or what. Oh, ZL London made $260 overnight. Do we have any LIS trades last night? ES night zones, no trades. NQ night zones, no trades. Last night was pretty slow, so not much. Thanks, Carlos. Slow, slow, slow. We're the chop zone. If you want more information on the algorithms, just email me. Sorry, I didn't have this up at all. At boldbotllc@gmail.com. I would email them. I had that issue. I upgraded to a dedicated server. Not sure that was the issue. I'm trying to root. Hi, Roland. How are you? I'm actually kind of hungry this morning. Well, I guess because I didn't eat dinner last night. I made my little one pizza, and I didn't have any. And then I had some cream cheese. I put some, you guys are going to think I'm so weird. I put some buffalo sauce in, like I had, like the tub of cream cheese, like the whipped cream cheese. So there's only a little bit left, and I just ordered some more. So I knew I was getting it today. I was like, oh, there's only a little bit left. So I put a bunch of hot sauce in the cream cheese. And then I dipped some pretzels and chips in that. Jen made it. Isn't it awesome? So yeah, that's essentially what I had for dinner. Or really just, transition to trade of 8. ES early's in a trade. But we don't run this on Thursdays. Interesting. I'm over this Canada snow. Snow is disgusting. So not in Florida anymore, but it was beautiful.
Target filled.
Target filled on ES early. Interesting. I like peanut butter and radishes. Oh, that's definitely interesting. I love peanut butter and celery. Now I want some celery. Sometimes I wonder why people live somewhere where it's like so cold all the time. Like they really enjoy that. I'm not sure. I guess they have to, right? Or they just deal with it. I run ES early on Thursdays, but I run it every day. So, what? Well, that didn't really work out. Although, it worked out for you. I mean, it was like, I run it on Thursdays, but I also run it every day. And that's the thing. I think some people always look to me for answers or guides, but the people that do the best are the people that honestly think for themselves. They're making their own plan. They understand their risk. They're using the strategy analyzer to figure out if something is good enough for them or not. Yeah, Florida is awesome. I love Florida. I would probably live there if my whole family wasn't up north and if my little one wasn't already in a really good school that we like. So remember, the sale is until Monday. I'm going to get some Trade of 8 accounts for sure. I'm doing Trade of 8 this time instead of Rhythmic, because Rhythmic can be funky. And then you don't have to have the R Trader up either. I don't know if you have to have something up with Trade of 8, because again, I haven't used that one. But I use Trade of 8 for some manual trades, a cash account.
Order submitted.
Price is really just kind of hanging out. Not doing much. I wanted to see Vizzy.
Order submitted.
Vizzy is having a hard time. Oh, now it's an agreed trade. Well, it's agreed like $80, but I found this Apex video about optimizing Ninja and Rhythmic, setting 2 Rhythmic connections, one for charts, one for trading. I'm testing, but nothing to report yet. Oh, interesting, James. Thank you for posting that. That's helpful. Well, I busted a bunch of Apex accounts the other day, so I'm just going to restart with Tradeovate accounts. What's the difference between the account? So one, it depends. The difference is who your broker is, essentially. So where are the trades coming from? How are they being sent? That kind of thing. So Tradeovate is a broker and Rhythmic is a broker. But Rhythmic seems to have a lot of issues from time to time on the broker end, where maybe you'll end up in a naked trade or you have a lot of slippage, stuff like that. And that's all coming from the broker, because how is the broker sending your order to the exchange, and then how is it coming back? Is there any type of time lapse? Like, even if it's just 1 second or 2 second, like that's going to affect your entry. Also, like the naked trade thing, it seems like when it's trying to swap a trade from Rhythmic, it has a really hard time. Made it to my laptop right at Taco Bell time. Nice. I never leave the RTrader app open and it works for me. Yeah, I typically don't leave it open either, honestly, but in general, I'm just going to try Tradeovate accounts. I'm just going to try them because I have heard really positive, like I love Tradeovate in general. You're still going to use the NinjaTrader platform. Your connection is just going to be through, through Tradeovate. Oh, we're in a $200 long on Vizzy. But I actually need to change the account because I have it on my account and I don't have this on that one. And then I was testing something else, but I don't think it's taken any trades yet. All right, Vizzy is 0 for 3 so far, but it's in a $155 long. Yeah, we have a 10 a.m. report. That makes sense. High impact report at 10 a.m. It's easier said than done, right? I was telling one of my students to stop being greedy. I like Tradeovate Apex accounts. It's all I get. Oh, and see, and Jackie gets some really good fills. I've never seen Jackie have like a bad fill. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube, but please, if you're on TikTok, please tap that screen. Make sure you follow me. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 1 to 2 p.m. in the afternoon, all Eastern Standard Time. It's just good to hear from people that have actually used the Tradeovate accounts. Like when we have issues, are you guys having issues? And I think the answer is no. Yeah, I am going to now because I'm starting fresh anyway. And with the night setups, if I want to run NQ evening, I'll just do that. And again, I've never heard that the Tradeovate Apex accounts have any issues with naked orders or anything like that. So I think you could still safely run the overnight ES or overnight NQ and feel comfortable, even without that rhythmic protection, if that makes sense. There's only one spot left for Vegas, so if you want it, let me know. Tyler was trying to come, but his company, somebody already requested off that week, so he can't come. Kevin can't, like he was on my list.
Order canceled.
I know William, Jared, Peter are all trying to get there, trying to figure it out. All right, visuals 0 for 4. See, and this is why you kind of like take your loss and you're done for the day. Like I have a student who, if it goes 0 for 2, then he's done for the day. If it runs, no. Vegas is in May. Yeah, cash accounts have amazing fills. We talked about this the other day. So if you have a cash account, you have to think about the
Order
process
submitted.
here. A cash account
Order submitted.
is through NinjaTrader. Like this is NinjaTrader is the broker. Your trade goes through NinjaTrader to the exchange and back to NinjaTrader. That's it. If you're using Apex, there are more stops. So the trade comes from NinjaTrader because you're using NinjaTrader charts. It has to go to Rhythmic to say, hey, just got in this trade. Rhythmic then sends it to the exchange. Then from the exchange, it comes back to Rhythmic and back to NinjaTrader to say, I'm now in this trade.
Order canceled.
Does that make sense? I have a few people that if they don't have the cash, obviously Apex is a great way to go. They start with Apex. Once they can get those PAs and withdraw some money, then they fund a cash account. Because your cash account, you're not paying anything extra. Like I pay $12 a month for market data, and that's it. And my cash fills are great. Hey, I don't understand why prices in the NASDAQ is different than yours. Because you're probably looking at the NASDAQ on the stock market. I'm trading NASDAQ on the futures market. So the price of the NASDAQ is the future price. Jeff, are you coming to Vegas? You're on the future contract. Are you on March 2024? Okay, cool. There is a report in 3 minutes. Sorry, a lot of people are DMing me today, so I am responding to them and posting. There are some questions in the Apex thread, maybe. This is just the first I've heard of it. Just when, oh, well, then you probably, it's probably because you're not a student. You have to be a student to join. So within my student chat, so if you look here, so over here, this is a private student chat. This is the Vegas chat, and then manual alerts. You're given these if you're a student. So if you take the digital mentorship, You're added to the student chat. You get the student call every morning from 8:45 to 9:15. You get manual alerts every day from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You get the proprietary chop zone, which is this on my chart, this, and then the LIS. So I don't discuss the Vegas information in the regular chat because you're only allowed to come if you're a student. But if you're a student, it's posted in there. There's like a whole banner. It talks about how much it is, how much it costs, the dates, like the exact dates, what's included, all of that stuff. So there's about 30 of us that are going to be there, and there's only one spot left. I'm paying for your hotel stay, I'm paying for your breakfast and lunch every day, and we're doing a meet and greet on the first night, which will have drinks and hors d'oeuvres. So I'm really excited. And then we're going to have a pickleball tournament, we're going to go hiking, we're going to get shit-faced. No, I'm not going to get shit-faced. We're going to go to the craps table. We're going to do a lot of stuff. Can you run Rhythmic and Trade Evade at the same time? Yes, you can. You can run both.
Order submitted.
You just can't have more than 20 accounts total with Apex. So you can have 10 Trade Evade accounts and 10 Rhythmic accounts, if that makes sense. You just can't have more than 20 PAs total.
Order submitted.
Within Apex.
Target filled.
Target filled. Target filled. YM range hit target on this long. And Vizzy is in another long. Sounds good. That's fine. Yeah, so we're going to have a lot of fun. Pete's definitely going to be coming, but he's taking way too long. His wife even told him, like, you need to go. That will be a lot of fun. All right, let's go back here. 100. Cool. So, yeah, I'm going to get some. I've been way more successful focusing on the drawdown than I did focusing on the win. Good job, John. Yeah, that's the thing. People will join the group and they're just like, well, what's the win? What's the win? So if I run this and I run this, I'm going to make $1,000 every day. That's not how you need to approach this. You need to approach this group with the mentality, how much can I have to risk? Me and Evan started making plans when we get there. I need to confirm some stuff. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Yeah, you're definitely coming. There's only one spot left, Pete, so you don't really have a lot of time. Joe D was still thinking about coming. William, Jared, Mike. So any of those people could pay at any moment, and then it's just gone. Just saying. What did we call YM? Some other food, like a drink? We need you to open up more spots. No, you should have paid back in October. I only have a certain amount of rooms and I only have a certain amount of space. Also, I'm doing a lot of one-on-one time. Like, this is really the reason. And I wanted to have enough time to sit with each person for an amount of time that would feel appropriate. Like, I don't want to sit with people one-on-one for 5 minutes. You know what I mean? I can get my own room. Well, there you go. Well, we can talk more about it, Jared. Oh, we called it tea? Oh, yeah, tea. So, tea hit. Eggs, apples, tea, owl, the moon. All of those things. All right, the report did like nothing. And that was a high impact, too. That's weird. Where rhythmic issues get obvious is when your cash account takes the trade successfully. 100%. Exactly what Nick and I were just talking about. The path on a cash account is easier than a pass on a Rhythmic account. That goes for even, there's like this company, I forget what it's called now, but it will essentially duplicate a trade. So like say I connect it to my account and I take a short. Then it will go to that company's website, and then the people that are subscribed to my service, like through their website, will get that same trade. But I bet you it's like a 3 to 5 point difference in the entry, because it has to go to their server, then their server has to get you into the trade, and then that has to go to the exchange. Like, there's just a lot of kind of like back and forth. So yeah, also the price of Vegas is going up in March. Well, we're only at the end of January, so I'm pretty confident that last spot is going to fill. The room I have is pretty big. Also, I would need to look at how much food. I have my swag bags. You guys are going to get swag bags that are so fun. And I have 30 of those. Because I'm not including, like, I also have speakers and people. Oh shit, I'm in the chat again. I don't know if I actually want this. Okay.
Target filled.
So this is something I'm testing, but I have it on my cash account.
Target filled.
And I already made like $800 off of it, so I wasn't expecting a secondary trade. So I just got out of it. But I made 200 or something, 265. But it's in a second trade. Ooh, it's running. I guess I should have kept myself in that trade. Came to my area, pressed the button, I heard the voice of the Lord say target. Very nice. I love it, Andon. Congrats to you, buddy. Congrats. Love that you want to spend time with those going to Vegas. Oh, absolutely. So we're going to be learning from, and don't get shocked about this, from 6 a.m. to noon every day. Because obviously we are trading live and the market opens 3 hours ahead in New York. So we're going to get together from 6 a.m. to noon every day. And then after noon, you could obviously do what you want. Your spouses are welcome to come to Vegas and stay in your room. They're also welcome to the meet and greet, but they are not welcome, obviously, to the actual conference itself. So what I was thinking was, once we're done at noon every day, you could go with your spouse, you know, on a trip or go see a show or go to the pool or gamble or whatever you guys want to do. Or we could all, you know, I'm going to have some stuff that we could all do together, and whoever wants to take advantage of that can. I know Chris and I said we wanted to go hiking. I think Evan wants to go hiking. We want to do a pickleball tournament. The conference is $3,000. And again, I'm covering your hotel stay and essentially all of your meals except for your dinner. And I'm not covering, like, you know, your alcohol. But most casinos, that's free anyway if you're doing any type of gambling. I am not going to go live when I'm in Vegas. I'm not going to be doing a student call either. Jen will be going live because she's having back surgery, so she has to stay home, which is really sad. Oh my gosh. So I got out of this trade, and it's up another like 15 points. So yeah, so I'm covering the meet and greet. It's going to be drinks and hors d'oeuvres, and then breakfast and lunch every day of the conference. I'm covering your hotel. So you have to get your flight, and then you have to have spending money essentially and money for dinner. So Fred, you have to be in the group and you have to be a student of mine to be able to come to the conference in Vegas. So if you're in the group and you're in the student chat, I can repost the banner. I have like a banner. There's only one spot left. There's going to be like 30 of us total. There's a few speakers, myself, Brian, Dana, Kyle, John. It's going to be a lot of fun. And we're going to have some one-on-one time. So I'm going to meet with every single student one-on-one. This is running. You guys, what was my entrance? I I really shouldn't have touched it. Clearly. Clearly I should not have touched it. I was in at 63. 63, and now it's at like 93. 30 points. 600, and I have 2 contracts. Oh, I probably would have hit my full target again for another like $800. Damn it. Damn it. Does that make sense, Fred? Let me know. Tim had it too. Yeah, I've never had issues with my cash account, and I'm excited to try out Tradeovate. Don't touch the algos, right? Right. Yeah, so when I'm in Vegas, Kyle won't be going live and I won't be going live. Jen will go live probably in the morning and the afternoon just to kind of fill those spots. And there will be no student call because I'm going to be doing that, all of that with the students live. OMG, what did I say, 63? It's now up 40 points. I am so freaking silly. I might yeah, for sure. Nice move here. All right, is the market ready to actually move now? Where are my students at? All right, cool. Yeah, if you guys want more information on my mentorship or the algos, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I can't believe why did I touch that trade? Ugh. You could. Love hearing your FOMO. I'm not really upset. But this strategy that I found, I'm testing it, but I'm running it on my live account because that's how good I feel like it seems. It's 86%.
Order submitted.
86% for the last year. And the drawdown is appropriate for using my cash account. And a win is, it's like 2-to-1 or 1-to-2 for the win versus risk. So that's not bad. It's not amazing, but it's not bad. And it typically only trades like once or twice a day. But it already traded today and made me like $800. So I was like nervous that it wouldn't perform again. Well, I don't know. I don't know why I thought that. And I thought that. And clearly I have no idea what I'm talking about because... Well, I made an extra 300. So I made 1,000 on it today. But it would have hit all targets on the other one. So I would have made 1,600 instead of 1,000, which is a big difference. Because it actually had a loss earlier this week, so that would have really made up for that, but it's okay. It's okay. Visuals in a long here. If you want more information on the algo, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'm going to wrap this up soon because, oh my God, I don't think I've drank like any of my tea. Oh, yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. It's like empty. Maybe I'll stop and get a tea at Starbucks before. I need to go get my nails done. Y'all, look how long my nails are. They're so long. This one, I pulled a hangnail and it started bleeding. See how it's like coming off. So I think I'm going to get like pink or red for Valentine's Day because I won't be back before Valentine's Day. So I need to get dressed and go to get my nails done. We all have it, for sure. And Lauren, good answer. Okay. I'm going to have to look at this later. Sometimes think the data, 300 on this visual long, the data is also off, which is frustrating. Like, it's really frustrating to think of this stuff or hear it, but I really feel like, I should open up my other one. I wonder if I have it there. I feel like sometimes the data is just off from Rhythmic. Like, you're not getting the same information. Because do I have that here? Or maybe I don't. No, I don't, but green $400 on this visual long. I wonder why I didn't have this on here. I'm going to add it now, see what it says. Oh, great. I don't even have the settings here. Hold on, I'm going to put this in before I go just to see what this says. Do I even have this? No, this didn't take me so long. I actually didn't mark it today. You can. But I'm not. All right, can you connect both Rhythmic and Tradeovate at the same time in Ninja? Yes, because Rhythmic is one connection and Tradeovate is a separate connection. So you can do both. It didn't hold enough to use in tandem. We're going to... Okay, perfect. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Ooh, $440. I really want you guys to continue to see this trade. But I need to get dressed. I'm also cold. I'll go get a hot tea. I heard that in the meeting and marked it. You don't have to dot it red, Peter. I wouldn't be overly dramatic with the red lines. You should probably have like 1 to 2 red lines total on your entire chart for the past several years. That's how specific my red is.
Order submitted.
Sealy, that will happen sometimes. Yeah, very true, Evan. If you have too many strategies running, that could also obviously be slowing down your VPS. I don't know, what's the lettering? CPU or something? I'm not super into computers and stuff like that, but I know that that can be an issue. Yep, sure thing. All right, it's 10:18. I'm going to wrap it up. This might pull back and hit the offset. Anyway, it's guaranteed green on this trade, but it was up to 4 something, so you could have taken some of that if you wanted to, but visual is red today as of right now. That looks much better. And then you run the trade copier, which is a one-time fee, and you get 2 machine IDs for the trade copier. So if you want to share it with someone in the group, like someone you trust or whatever, you're essentially paying $75 to have a trade copier for life. And the trade copier, then you have less strategies in your strategy box, but they can all still run on your accounts. Seeley, did you get in on that move back there or no? Because it's moving back up now, so hopefully you get that. $435 on this. If you guys want to watch this, you can watch this and I can go get dressed and come back. But, yeah. There you go. I'll be right back. I'm freezing. Oh, it's so gross outside. I'm wearing all black to signify this disgustingly cold day. So proud of you. How many strategies should one run per account? I can't advise you on what you should do, but the whole point of all of this, again, is what is your risk? $900 on this long. Jesus. Who's posting in the wrong area? Oh, that's in. I told you, Keisha. Let's go. Student play, playing. Oh, Replicanto is $250. I don't know why I thought it's a one-time fee. I don't know. You remember me too careful these days. Well, listen, I had to get dressed. I'm sorry. I had to get dressed, okay. Good. See, they got it. Who got the student play? Carlos got it. So proud of you guys. See, being patient. Being patient. Patience pays. I told you this area was a little tight. We're still going. We're still going. Nice job. 900. Very nice. Dana got it. Kyle got it. Peter got it. Jared got it. Jason got it. See why letting me teach you how to trade is a good thing? Just get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, I'm so cold. Okay. Dell got it. Yay! All right, cool. All right, I really got to get out of here. Well, yeah, because I want to get a hot tea, and I'm freaking freezing. So I'm going to stop. What's up? All right, have a good day. It is Thursday, January 25th. I will be back tomorrow. Jen will be live on TikTok only from 1 to 2 p.m. Kyle will not be live tonight, but he will be live tomorrow night on Friday night, which is a little different. So that will be fun. And I hope you guys have a great day. Oh, yay, Jason. That's so sweet. All right, guys. Have a good Thursday. Try to stay warm and dry. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.